Okay, so for the yesterday's problem, so you got the solution for rotation matrix of angle theta, which is basically cos theta minus sine theta
sine theta, cos theta.
cos theta, right? So for this you have got
Eigenvalues as
e
e power
power
I theta,
I theta
e power minus I theta,
and e power minus I
minus I
theta,
theta,
and for e power I theta it was 1
k, 1,
some k into
k into 1 minus I.
minus I, okay,
For
and
e
then
power minus I theta, k into 1 I.
k into
1
1
I.
I, okay, fine. So in that case k into I or k into minus I is kinda represents a rotation, okay. So with some axis it is getting rotated, maybe something like that. Okay, so then here for a theta rotation you will get e power I theta and e power minus I
Minus
theta.
I theta.
So in that case, for a 90-degree rotation, from this answer what you can say was the eigenvalues and eigenvectors.
Cos 90 plus
E power
power
I pi by
pi
2,
by 2.
right,
Yes,
which is
cos 90 plus
okay,
I
cos
sin
90
plus plus minus I sin.
and maybe I'll put cos pi
Pi
by
by
2.
2 plus minus
Okay, so okay, plus or
plus
minus,
minus
so
I
I
sin
sin
pi
pi
by
by
2.
2.
Since cos 90 is 0, we
Hmm.
get only imaginary value.
So plus
Plus
or
minus
minus
I.
I. Okay, so that's what you have got, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Right. Um, Now what we shall do is we will discuss about inverse. Okay,
Yes, sir.
inverse of a matrix. So let's go with what is inverse. So what do you think an inverse of a matrix is?
Suppose if we have a matrix A, sir,
Hmm?
if we multiply with another matrix,
Hmm?
then the product
Say we have a matrix, let's say
A,
A. Okay, we have another matrix, let's say B.
B.
Okay,
If we multiply it,
so if we multiply A and B together, okay,
we should get identity matrix.
okay, then
Then B is the inverse of A.
B is the inverse of
Inverse of
A,
A.
right?
Or
So
B
it
into
implies
A
B is
equal
equal
to
to
A inverse.
A inverse. Okay, fine. So that's the definition of the matrix. So now, how to calculate the inverse? Okay.
Yes.
Uh, so now, once again, we'll go to this column picture. Okay.
Okay.
So now, A into the first column of matrix, let me call that as B, maybe 1, okay, to represent the first column of matrix. And what will I get as an answer?
1 0.
1 0, the first column of
I.
I, okay. So then basically uh, uh, calculating inverse is calculating a solution for a problem like Ax is equal to B, where B is 1 0, okay,
Yes.
so that you will get the first, the x
Column.
will be the first column of the inverse.
Yes.
And similarly, if B is 0 1,
Second column.
then you will get the second column. Okay, so now what we shall do is from the picture using GeoGebra,
Yes.
let's see what we are getting as a inverse, and then we'll also try with whatever the method you already know,
Okay.
and then we can verify those two things. Okay.
Okay.